Hold on. Let me shut the. Holding. All right, get a sip. Oh, I got the camera wrong. Oh God. Oh, hi everyone. This is your dry, no content guy. I got nothing better to do, and I don't have any videos, so I have to take the amp out of my car because I'm pretty sure it doesn't work. And I guess I'm going to show you guys how to take the amp out of a car. Like, it's Mazdaspeed3 here, which has the best paint job in the world. I actually won worst paint job at a car show today. That's actually a lie. I really didn't do that. Anyway. We carefully place our tools there. Alright. Among the trash and paraphernalia, underneath your passenger seat here, I guess, is where the amplifier is. And I'm like 99.99% certain mine is dead. So, according to, according to, another tutorial I saw on YouTube. Oh my God, I've been looking for this plastic trim piece for fucking months. Put that there. Like, that's not a lie. What is that thing? Is that a fucking urinal cake? Oh my God. Anyway, so I guess we're gonna remove this amp. I think it's gonna require movement back and forth of the seat, but supposedly there's 3 10mm nuts, which I'm assuming is that one, and one somewhere up there. But anyway, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy tools, pop off those 2 nuts, and then sorry, I'm immature. Anyway, and then we'll get to the front one. So hold on. So up here, I have found this little, like, this is a Velcro thing. Yeah. And there's the last nut. Oh, the might of Thor. Anyway, so that says top of label. I don't know why. Assuming we just pop all this off, and then this whole shield, probably gotta get it from the back. And you gotta slide the seat forward again. Ooh, I got it up. I really think this is like a job that you're supposed to be, like, remove your passenger seat to do, but I'm lazy. Anyway. Oh, this, like, thing is the amp. Oh, it's like, oh, so I guess now you just gotta unplug all the freaking plugs, man. And look, there's, right here, shitty camera work, good job. Right here, you usually can get these by squeezing the underside, pop it out, and this harness will come off, and it looks like there's a few connectors right there. We're gonna have to pop off. I'm gonna try to do that and see if that is the way to get the amp out. Alright, so pretty simple, you just kind of snake your hand through here and you can get to the plugs. So I got them all unplugged and I got that professionally unattached. And I'm gonna see if I can just kind of finagle it out, I guess. And I still feel like we're fucking hooked. I mean, that harness is kind of... Oh, hello. It's birthing an amplifier. Well, I got it kind of out. Yeah. Hitting plastic trims and whatnot. Isn't this riveting? Riveting, amazing video work. Okay, yeah, see this thing? I know you're just gonna, you just pop off. I know you do. So I'd like you to get the fuck out of the way, please. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the camera down. So I'm gonna use my mountain of trash to make a tripod. Look at this. Watch this happen. This fucking shit. You guys fucking... Look at that, you're leaning up there looking at probably the worst camera angle in the world. That would have been the proper way to do this. Yeah, just fucking scooted that thing right off and the camera out. Look at that. So yeah, you just gotta, shit. You have to pop this trim cover with Mazda Tool 876 382 T1 interior trim removal tool. And voila! There you got it. I just dripped a bead of sweat on my phone, and now my amplifier's out. And install in reverse. That's. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like car shit and video games, subscribe.